Welcome all the reloaders out there. Today I'd like to introduce AAA Reloader Bullet and Case Collators. My name is Michael Wall, and over the last 10 years I finally finished a new line of collators. These case and shell collators are adjustable to any reloader press on the market with multiple features never seen before. These can be set up and adjusted on the bench to the reloader's needs by the reloader themselves. I'm sure some of you have noticed the bullet drop die swivel connector I'm using in this video. This is a universal to all presses and can be custom fitted to different bullet drop dies, so all the top turret press reloaders out there can now enjoy a bullet collator. In this video you may also notice a case feeder. It will be specific to the Hornady press only. I'll make a separate video showcasing the features and all the new designs of it. Okay, these are our shell or case collators, and these are our bullet collators. They are interchangeable. You can do different connections. They both have limit switches on them. They both swivel, and that's very important in a collator. Without further ado, I'd like to show you how they operate. So this collator would be up here like this one is here. In order to make any adjustments, you'd have to get up on a ladder or stool or something like that and make your adjustments. No longer. It comes down, comes completely off. You set it down here. You make your plate adjustments, any other adjustments you need to make, get it finalized, stick it up there, push the button and go. Same thing with the bullet feeder, same idea. All these can come right off. If I wanted to, I could take this completely off. I just have to unloosen this screw and it comes completely out down on the bench for adjustment. That's one of the big features. I'm too old to be getting up and down on a ladder, and I'm sure a lot of the others are the same way. So I'm going to show you how these collators work. Okay, we're going to start out at 10 RPMs here, 6 almost 7. We can make it 7. These are adjustable, whatever RPMs you want to run these at. They go max up to 12.8 or something like that, I want to say. 12.5 is our max on this. And we can run it there. If y'all want to run it there, you can run it there. I normally run mine 8, 10, somewhere in that area. Running fast. Once that tube fills up, you hardly hear any noise. So the initial startup, you're going to hear some noise. All right, we are full. That fast. There's probably 30 shells in there. Okay, let's give it a roll. I'm just going to drop bullets, but I'm not reloading right now. I'm just demonstrating how this works. So there's no flare on that to catch these bullets. Okay, you see how the cases work? Pretty much perfect every time. I'm going to turn on the bullet feeder. And that's going to flip the bullets around right side up so each and every one of them is in the right position so I can continue. Now run until the limit switch says it's full, it's full. I think you get the gist of that pretty much. Right now I don't have any more bullets in there. It's going to keep running. You can either shut it off here if you want, so you don't have to get up, or you can shut it off here. This is full up already, again. What more is there to say? It runs perfect, flips your bullets right. Cases, no problem. Take any cases, any pistol cases at all. Your 380s, your 308s, your 9mm, your 40 cal, 45, 44 special, 44 mags. I've tested all these shells pistol wise. You'll take whatever you get at one plate. Over in here. Our rifle plate is right here. I'm going to show you just a quick demonstration on this. I'm not going to turn it on because I don't have another, what do you call it there? Speed sensor. So what it does, it comes over, it's going to grab it and grab it down. This is totally adjustable. There's another plate that goes on there for your smaller cals, your 223s. This will throw any rifle shell you got. Okay. Basically, this is what that looks like up into the collator for your pistol. This is a universal plate. And what it does is it goes around, it double drops here. There's a double drop system in here. There's a double drop system on all of the bullet collators. So it speeds things up and it's less stress and drag on the motor. There's also ball bearings on the bottom of this plate that help spin this around so there's no drag on it and it's less motor burnout. There's all kinds of adjuster tubes here. You can choose to use this particular one on your leads, which is kind of basically set up over here. So your lead presses, the whole entire feeder comes up and down. This also comes up and down, back and forth. Doesn't interrupt any feeding here for your shells. These are Allen screw ball bearings, so there's no drag on this at all. There's hardly any weight. You're in your limit switches at the bottom. There's all kinds of adjustments for all kinds of presses on these things. These things is a one-size-fits-all type thing. And mounting-wise, these mount right on your bench, and they're adjustable with adjustments here, adjustments up and down, adjustments on the main plate, adjustments over here, going up and down. So if you want to make it smaller or shorter, you can move this up and down, lock it into place, away you go. All kinds of adjustments. So in ending this video, yeah, I worked a lot of years on this. I feel like I perfected it to its very best. I'd like to hear some feedback on this. I know a lot of guys out there are making these things right now. We've got a lot of time into this, and it's just so adjustable that a 2-year-old could do it. It really is. So let me know what you think, and we'll go from there. Thanks a bunch.